Hi everyone, I'm Gino and welcome to my channel. Today I am super excited to show you guys a very simple champagne gummy bear recipe. We're able to take just a few ingredients and transform it into something extra elegant. If you are new to the channel, welcome to my channel. And if you'd like to show some support, feel free to hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you can be reminded of whenever I post a new baking or cooking video. And without further ado, let's get into these ingredients. For this recipe, you will need a gummy bear mold, some champagne of your choice, a quarter of a cup of water, 3 tablespoons or 3 envelopes of gelatin, and some gold edible accent hearts. You first want to start by putting your gelatin into your cup of water. Make sure that you are using unflavored gelatin, so we're not giving it any extra flavor. And also, one helpful tip that I didn't know before is that each packet of gelatin is equivalent to 1 tablespoon. So since we're needing 3 tablespoons, we're gonna add the 3 packets. Then you just want to take a fork and just mix it around a little bit. We are going to let the water and the gelatin bloom for 5 minutes. And what that means is that the water will absorb all of the gelatin and get it ready to do its job. Next, we are going to measure out 1 cup of our champagne. Now you want to take your 1 cup and pour it into a pot, and we're just gonna let it come to a simmer, which should take a couple of minutes. Alright, so our champagne has come up to a simmer, so now it is time to add in our gelatin. You'll know that your gelatin is bloomed when it looks like applesauce, just like this. So just add it into your pot. And we're gonna whisk it in. And make sure that the gelatin is well incorporated into the champagne. You want to mix it until the gelatin is fully dissolved. At this point, we want to pour the gelatin mixture into our measuring cup again. And we're just gonna let this cool for a few minutes to come to room temperature. So our gelatin mixture has cooled off for a little bit. We are going to add some of our edible gold hearts into our gummy bear mold. I got this one at Joann Fabrics, but I know Michael's has some, Walmart, Target. I've seen them at just about any big retailer. I got hearts like all over the countertop, but it's okay. One useful tip before you start filling your gummy bears is to place your gummy bear mold on a pan so that you're not moving and shaking around when you're taking this to the fridge. So now I'm using a pipette or a dropper. This one actually came with the set that I bought. It's a lot easier to pour your liquid into your mold using this. It's a lot more precise. So you just want to fill them up all the way. You can leave a little bit of space if you'd like. Alright, so once your gummies are all filled up, you want to place these in the fridge for half an hour or until they are nice and set. In addition to this, I have 2 non-alcoholic gummy recipes on my channel. I have a Lego gummy candy recipe that's super fun to make with children, and I also have a grape and fruit punch gummy recipe that's healthy as well. So it's been about half an hour, our gummies are nice and settled, so now it is time for us to take them out of the mold. I like using these silicone molds just because it's easy to get them out. You want to first stretch it to help release the bears from the mold, and then you just want to sort of push it up and pull it out. And look at how adorable these things are. You can see the little hearts everywhere. As always, thank you guys for joining me once again on Frosting Farts. I hope that you guys truly enjoyed this recipe and that you guys give it a try. You can do so much with these gummy bears. You can give it to friends, have it as something to enjoy at a New Year's party, whatever the day may be. These gummy bears are perfect for any occasion. If you'd like to show some support, make sure to hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you can be reminded of whenever I post a new baking or cooking video. As always, remember to keep things simple yet elegant. And if you have any other suggestions for any other recipes or desserts that I can try on this channel, just leave a comment down below.